Our collaboration with E3 was just like a perfect match. They needed a financing arm, and we also wanted to provide financing for those in the South Bay who really wanted those electric recreational vehicles.
Our partnership with South Bay Credit Union is so exciting. We have a solution for our customers that would like an option to do financing with a small community credit union instead of a big branch bank.
Since we've actually started that partnership, it's been wonderful because we've met all sorts of people who also have low-speed vehicles. Every single one of them got their vehicles at E3.
And the most beautiful part about buying one of these is the financing is so easy.
We have a whole program built out. We've got special rates.
And within a day or two, we can get you approved and funded and rolling. Paris recently bought a golf cart of ours too, so it's been keeping it all in the family.
This morning we had one of our neighbors stop us and say, you know why I like seeing your family in the golf cart? It's because every time I see you in the golf cart, your family's laughing and you just look like you're having a great time. And being here local in the South Bay, it's been wonderful to have.
So if you have any questions or curiosity, I encourage you to come in. We get you approved within the same day. And if you look at our reviews, everyone always just says fast, quick, easy, super fun.